Is up, peeps? Coach Kenny, your transformation trainer, coming at you. Just finished getting my sweat on at 7 o'clock in the a.m. No better way to start the day. And it is Monday, so I want to help to motivate and pump you up for the week. And I got a question for you today. Are you existing or are you experiencing life? Are you existence, right? You get up each day, you go in the same routine, you have the same breakfast, the same workout, the same job. Hopefully you're getting a workout. But existing, you know, there's no passion, there's no joy, there's no abundance there. Or are you experiencing life to the fullest, like you were meant to, like you were created to experience life to the fullest each and every single day? You got something to be excited about, something to be passionate about, something to look forward to. So I want to really have you check yourself on that. Are you just existing day to day, or are you experiencing life in all of its fullness? And here's the thing. You got to check yourself in the morning. You got to make that decision. You got to get yourself in the habit of saying, you know what, today I am not going to exist anymore. I'm going to experience life with the fullness of joy that I'm supposed to and live out my highest purpose. And so if you need some help with that, I'm here to help you out. This is Coach Kenny, your transformation trainer. Appreciate you for watching the video. You know I got nothing but love for you. I am praying for you each and every single day. And we're going to close with a big fat smooch.